Hi! Do you feel sad that your children do not know how to speak the Igbo language? Or are you an adult and you feel embarrassed you do not know how to communicate in the Igbo language? Join us now in Papando Language Hub online classes any day of the week from anywhere you are in the world. Contact us now. Dalun.
I want water. I want water. I want water.
I'm drinking water and I'm Mary. I am coming and I'm Edna. I am eating and I'm Mary.
Aha bụ Chinedu Munukwe. Ana m aga na ụlọ elu. I'm going upstairs. Ana m aga ụlọ ala. I'm going downstairs. Ana m aga mbara elu. I'm going to the balcony. Ana m aga na ezi. I'm going outside. Ana m aga usekwu. I'm going to the kitchen.
Ana m eri osikapa. Ana m eri ede. Ana m aracha unere. Ana m aracha ice cream. Ana m aṅụ Coke.
Anam eri osikapa. I am eating rice. Anam eri G1 I am eating sweet potato. Anam nata suya. I am chewing suya.
Aha m bụ Chinedu Munukwe. Achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. I want to take my bath. Achọrọ m ịsa eze m. I want to brush my teeth. Achọrọ m ite ude. I want to rub cream on my body.
Apology. Where, Pico? And when you went? Pico, my mommy, please. Now, Pico, my daddy, please.
Turkey, tolo. Turkey, tolo. Turkey, tolo.
Ana m aga ụlọ ụka. Ana m aga ụlọ akụ. Ana m aga ụlọ ikpe.
I want food. I want food. Poop and see.
Ana m aga ụlọ ugbo. Ana m aga ụlọ oriri. Ana m aga ụlọ ahịa. Dawanye maazị Cody.
Ana m aga n'ụlọ oriri is I'm going to a restaurant. Ana m aga n'ụlọ onyonyo is I'm going to a movie theater.
I want to pee. Achọrọ m new memory. I want to pee. Achọrọ m new memory. I want to pee. Achọrọ m new memory.
Please wash it. Biko Saya. I'm coming. Anam Abia. My mother, please, I want to sleep. Innam Biko Acham Iyakura. Please, I feel hungry. Biko Aguru Nagum.
I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I feel hungry.
Verbs in the past tense. Abyaram, I came. Agaram, I went. Aguru, I ate.
Please, Nkem, come here. Biko, Nkem, Bia, Eba. Please, Mom, give me my food. Nem, Biko, Nyem, Nrim. Let us go outside. Tani, Ga, Nezi. Please keep them here. Biko, Desa, Ha, Eba.
I want to eat my food. Actually, Nrim. I want to play outside. Actually, Egu, Nezi. I want to climb upstairs. Actually, Biko, Nemi. I want to take a bath. Actually, Tuota, Akuko. I want to clean the house. Actually, Hicha, Ula.
Achọrọ m ihicha ahụ. I want to wipe my body. Achọrọ m isa akam. I want to wash my hands.
Please cook jollof for me. Biko say a rim jollof. Please wash the plates for me. Biko sa ram efere. Please switch on my computer for me. Biko banye rem computer m.
Ị chọrọ ịmụta asụsụ Igbo? Bịa soro anyị na Papando Language Hub online classes ụbọchị ọbụla ị chọrọ. Daalụ!